Why do mild substances trigger severe eczema reactions? Imagine your skin as a fortress that keeps out unwanted invaders. Now, if that fortress has weak walls, even tiny, harmless-looking substances can cause big problems. That's what happens with eczema. People with eczema have a skin barrier that isn't working properly. This barrier normally keeps irritants and allergens out, but when it's damaged, even mild substances can sneak in easily. This damage often comes from genetic factors. For example, mutations in the filaggrin gene weaken the skin's protective layer. Without enough of this protein, the skin loses moisture faster and becomes dry and fragile. When the skin is dry and broken, irritants like soaps, detergents, or certain fabrics can penetrate deeper than they should. This triggers an immune response that causes redness, itching, and swelling. Eczema also involves an immune system that overreacts to these triggers. Instead of just a mild response, the immune cells called Th2 helper T cells releases chemicals called cytokines. These chemicals cause inflammation, making the skin red and itchy. Because of this overreaction, substances that are normally harmless can cause severe reactions. Even mild irritants can cause problems because they damage the already compromised skin barrier. For example, a gentle soap or a soft fabric might seem harmless, but in someone with eczema, they can cause irritation and inflammation. Repeated exposure makes the skin worse over time, leading to more frequent and severe flare-ups. Another factor is that eczema skin produces fewer antimicrobial peptides. These are natural substances that help fight bacteria and infections. When these are reduced, bacteria like Staphylococcus aureus can colonize the skin more easily. This bacterial presence can worsen inflammation and make the skin more sensitive to irritants. To manage this, it's best to avoid harsh soaps, strong detergents, and rough fabrics. Using gentle, fragrance-free skincare products helps protect the skin. Keeping the skin moisturized with thick creams or ointments restores the barrier. It's also smart to identify and steer clear of specific irritants that cause flare-ups. In the end, mild substances trigger severe eczema reactions because the skin's protective barrier is broken and the immune system is overly sensitive. This combination allows even harmless irritants to cause big inflammation and discomfort. Taking steps to protect and strengthen the skin can make a real difference in managing eczema symptoms.